To create a 3D clustered column chart for Centennial Animal Hospital, I've asked you to select the employees, their gross pay, and their net pay. So select A3 to A11, hold your control key on your keyboard down, move to E3, drag down to E11, let go, move your pointer to K3, again hold your control key down and drag down to E11. If you find that you cannot do that because you're using a mouse tracking pad rather than a regular mouse, you're really having a hard time selecting, another way to do this is to go to your name box. So that's just above your column heading A to the left of your column. So right now you can see my cursor is in the name box, and you would type in the range. So you would type in A3 colon A11 comma. So you separate each individual range with a comma. So then I also want E3 colon E11 comma K3 colon K11. Press your enter key, it does the same thing. So you choose which way it's easier for you. Then you would go to your insert tab, and from there I want a column chart, so I can choose column, and then from there 3D clustered column chart. And you'll see it has gross pay, net pay, all of the employees are displayed. I've asked you to change your chart title to gross pay versus net pay. And I've asked you to move this to a new sheet, so you'd click on the chart, click the Move Chart button. You can also, on the chart, right-click. So if you right-click here, you'll have the option of Move Chart. You want it as a new sheet and give it the name Column Chart. So it will look like this one once you've completed it. You should not be selecting the chart, copying it, or cutting it and going to a new sheet and pasting it. This is called an embedded chart. This one is as a sheet by itself. Notice the difference. Even if I size them, they do not look the same. So it's always nicer to have the chart on a sheet by itself, unless your sheet is not got very much data on it. So in this case, I'm just going to delete this chart because I've already created it over here.